Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Express Fairway Freight LLC. This is Shaista with you. Our today's topic is Customs Representative Card, why it is important and how to apply for this card. If you are importer and exporter company or a clearing agent company, and if you need to visit customs department or you have to visit port for import inspection or export inspection, so you must need customs representative card. For applying custom representative card, the required documents are company trade license, passport for the person whom you wish to make customs representative card, visa page copy, Emirates ID, and a passport size photograph for the same person. These are documentation requirement. Except this, you need to have Dubai trade login details. Now I will guide you step by step for applying customs representative card. First of all, log into Dubai Trade portal, then take subscription for the Dubai Trade. Go to menu and click on request option. Then click amend business profile, then select customs representative card. By clicking this option, you will find a form. Fill all the information one by one and upload all required documents, which I have told you before. Now you have to wait for customs approval. Once you will get the approval, you have to pay government fees. Then card will be delivered by courier company on your address which you have mentioned at the time of filling the form. Please note that fill accurate contact details, address and PO box number for delivering your card conveniently. But you do not need to worry about taking all these headache. We Express Fairway Freight here for you, giving service in the seamless manner. I hope you find this video useful and informative. Please like this video, share and subscribe to our channel to get informative videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime. I will leave our contact details in the description box. Thank you.